Welcome to DIY Spooky Decor. This week we will be creating a skull candle holder. I'm going to be using this flat candle holder from the Dollar Tree that I spray painted black. I did attach it to a vase that I also spray painted black from Goodwill, but I did not like how this project was looking out, so I'm going to break it apart and we'll just use the vase for something else. Now it's time for our skulls. We are going to paint them black. I'm going to use a mixture of black and that metallic copper that I really love. I just want a little bit of the shimmer to come through. I end up going in with a coat of black, metallic copper, and baking soda to give it that texture that I really like, and I think the texture helps bring out the shimmer from the metallic paint a lot. I took half black and half copper and painted it on the top of the glass candle holder, and it gave it that nice shine. I use super glue to hold it together. The super glue says you only have to hold it for 15 seconds before it will start to adhere. You'll see soon that that is a lie. Now I believe I did get these 3 skulls in a pack from Dollar Tree during October. I'm sad because I'm running out of skulls. I think I have 1 left. Here's that second coat of paint with the baking soda in it. And you could see the texture and the shimmer a little bit more. And there it goes. So now we're just gonna go in with the hot glue from the top and hope that it sticks together. Alright, here I thought I was filming, and I guess I wasn't, but you can see I just took that copper metallic paint and did a stripe right down the middle of each skull. I really love the way it looks. After I attach the candle holder, I do spray the whole thing with a high gloss clear top coat. To attach the top of the candle holder, I used a Gorilla Glue clear grip glue. This says it has to set for 2 minutes before you attach the 2 items to each other, and so far it has held up great. And there it is, guys. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a lot of painting and gluing things together. I love the way this turned out. It's on our coffee table right now, and I think it is super cute. Bonus project time! So I got this rainbow cutout from the Dollar Tree. I saw another YouTuber that had one that said Sweet Dreams on it, and I'm sure you can find rainbow cutouts at other craft stores. So I'm just giving it a light sanding. Honestly, I wish I would have went a little bit harder on the words. I did have to use quite a few coats of paint to make sure you couldn't read the lettering on the clouds anymore. And I'm just going in with black and 2 different shades of gray, mixing white and black together. Now I think the rainbow itself is not cut evenly. It was a little difficult to get the lines kind of straight, but I just had fun with it. It's kind of therapeutic. When painting the clouds, I wasn't worried if the wet dark paint got into the white because I'm going for that shaded storm cloud look anyway. I wanted to add more detail to my little goth rainbow, so I took a piece of scrap paper, just folded it in half, and I'm drawing 3 different bats. Then I'll be cutting those out, unfolding them, painting them black, and attaching them to my rainbow. Don't forget, folks, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and come back every Thursday when I release brand new spooky DIY videos. I was very excited for this part. I've had these little cauldrons for months. I got them from the Dollar Tree in 3-packs during St. Patty's Day. So I'm going to be cutting one in half and using it as my pot of gold, so to speak, at the end of my rainbow. And that came apart so easily. Now to embellish that, I'm using this skull bracelet that I have. I'll just be hot gluing it on. Then I'm going to paint the cauldron with a very thick baking soda paint because I do not want it to have that plastic look. And I'll go over the skulls with black acrylic paint. I did go over the entire rainbow with a coat of Mod Podge to seal it. Using hot glue, I will attach my cauldron to the end of my rainbow. Then we get to add the bones. This was my favorite part. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have time, maybe share the video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next Thursday, and remember, stay spooky.